Hey everybody, I am so glad to be back. Today we are going to discover a new Google Sheets add-on called Doctopus. Hey everybody, I am Eric DeVolt at ericdevolt.com, and I am here to teach you about an add-on for Google Sheets called Doctopus. It's an amazing add-on, and I want to thank Adam Howell from Physpedagogy for showing me this about 3 or 4 years ago. I've actually just started using it this year, and I wish I would have started a long time ago. I also want to thank New Vision's Cloud Lab for creating it. It's a great tool in Google Sheets. So, to get this add-on, just like any other add-on, you're going to be in Google Sheets. Since it is a Google Sheets add-on, go to Add-ons, go to Get Add-ons, and then search for Doctopus. There it is, right at the top. Now you can see mine says Manage, so I already have it. If I didn't have it, I just click on Free, like this one down here. And then when you do that, you'll just have to go through a short setup process and get it all set up for you to be ready to use. Now, in order for you to use this properly, you do have to follow the steps that they have set up in order to create a rubric in Google Sheets. And you have to follow their format. It's pretty self-explanatory. But the reason I love this app so much, or this add-on, is because you can do multiple things almost at the same time. Now, I already created a rubric, and you can see it right here up at the top. I have 4 different components listed. Components, paragraph, variety, and alien. I know, might not be your typical criteria for a rubric, but this is what I used for this assignment. Now, the nice thing about this is you can see components is already clicked on. It's highlighted. And I've given this student a 3.5. The way I did that was by clicking in the box and then just typing in the rubric score. But if I didn't want to do that, say they just got a 3 or a 4, I could just click on the rubric score that they received. Let me put this back real quick to 3.5. Then, once you're done with that criteria of grading for this student assignment, you can just go to the next one and then click the one that you want to do. So it's pretty easy once you have already created your rubric and upload it to Doctopus. Now, something that makes this super powerful is the fact that you can leave comments right over here on the right hand side. Not only can you leave written comments, but you can also leave voice comments, and this is pretty handy. You can record as much as you would like to record, and it turns it into an MP3 and puts it right into the student's document so they can listen to your comments instead of reading. One thing that I really truly like, is probably my most favorite feature, is just this little checkbox right here. Auto advance on submit. The reason I like this button so much, and trust me, I really like this button, is because now I don't have to close this document, go to the next student, click on the link, open it, grade it, close it, click on the next one, open it. As soon as I click submit, it's going to do its magic in the background, and then it will open up the next student's work for me. So I don't have to do very much at all to get to the next student. And there you go. The very next student's work is up and is ready to be graded. Also, what I really like is that whenever you submit, it automatically sends an email to the students letting them know their rubric score and showing them those written comments or giving them the link to the verbal comments. Great tool. I'm glad that Adam showed it to me a few years back on his YouTube channel, and I plan on using this a lot more in the future, and I suggest you do too if you have any written work that requires a rubric. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope that you can give me a thumbs up and maybe share this with some friends. And if you do that, I'd greatly appreciate it. Maybe leave some comments in the bottom, and we can have a great conversation about how to use this more effectively in your classroom. See you in the next video.